if we were going to have a double replacement reaction there, what could we produce? Here's how to remember how to predict products. The most electronegative things from one compound go with the less electronegative things from the other. In very simple terms, break it in half. The circles and squares are from a student I had years ago who, for the life of him, could not remember how to predict products. And so what we got down to for him was a square always has to go with a circle, and a circle always has to go with a square. You can't have two squares. You can't have two circles. So the first thing is the more electronegative. The second thing is the less electronegative. And if you think down to ions, you've got your positive ion, your negative ion. So if these two were going to swap dance partners, name me one of the new products, somebody who has buttons above the waist.
NaCl.
Do you have buttons? Oh, you're pushing it. Okay, fine. NaCl is one of our new products because we took these two and they switched partners and now they're dancing together. Okay. So, somebody who has got, oh boy, somebody who's got more than 2 colors above the waist. Who I have not heard from yet today.
HOH.
HOH, okay, HOH. Good, HOH. What is HOH?
Water.
It's water! But I was hoping somebody would say HOH. So if I write it like that, does that make it clearer? Because what this water, what these do is they break up into a hydrogen ion and a hydroxide ion. Put those two together, you got water. Not so bad. So that's a double replacement reaction. That's the one we just did. What did we just produce? Salt water. It's not real exciting. It doesn't form bubbles. It doesn't form a precipitate. You can't see the salt in there.
So what happens if
Somebody test it.
If, well, I mean, we don't want to test that out.
Oh, we're not going.
Yeah,
I mean, well, because,
Or whatever,
well,
whatever.
let me address that after we turn this off.
Okay.
So let's stick to the point here. Okay, so that's a double replacement reaction. It's not, they're not always exciting. Sometimes they are. And there are some good specific examples in the book. I would ask you to look at those on your own, but we're not going to spend time on them here. Okay, we'll stop video.